Bikey owner's manual going into your bag. Zip it up. There it is. This will all get packed in the next few minutes. Okay, these pedals are going to come off. You can use a 15 millimeter or you can use an adjustable wrench, whichever way you want. This has a conventional thread. So just go ahead and I'm going to take this off. You're going to go ahead and put it on. Remember, righty-tighty on the right side. On the left side, it has a left-hand thread. So make sure when you're tightening it, it's to the left, not to the right. Okay, this will be zip tied onto the back wheel on the right side. That's where I'm going to zip tie that one. Here's your left one. This has a left-hand thread, so it's going to thread off to the right. When you tighten it, you're going to thread it back to the left. That's tightening. Loosening to the right. And it's going to get zip tied, again, like the other one, to the back tire. Right there. So you'll know which is which. Okay, I've loosened the pinch bolt. What I'm going to do is lift this up and out. And then I'm going to go ahead and zip tie it here so that this will sit for shipping. You just simply put it right back on the same way that she came off. Tighten that pinch bolt and you're back in business.